come join our adventure. Today we are going to explore farm animals. Do you know what sounds animals make? NoyNoy will also be giving them a bath. Come splash into the fun.
Pig. Oink oink. Dog. Wolf. Cow. And donkey. And there's rooster. There's clock-a-doodle-doo. And the horse goes, neigh, neigh. And the sheep goes, baa, baa. White smoke. Look, there's the hay and water. Now we're gonna have a cool bath with a lot of bubbles. Yay! Do you want to bake them with me? Yes! Let's do this. He's so dirty. Let's clean him. The pig is so clean. Let's take the cow. That's a big cow. Wow, the flesh. Now let's take another. Donkey. Where is he? Here he is. This is donkey. Horse. The last one. In the bathtub. Now it's clean. Now they're clean and fresh and they're ready to go to sleep. Good night. Look, they just woke up and they are thirsty. And they want to play. Look who else woke up. They're thirsty too. Good morning, Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo, I'm wanting a drink. And who woke up too is the doggy and the donkey. Now let's put them to play. I had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it too. Goodbye.
Learning with NoyNoy.
For more fun, educational videos, please subscribe.
You guys are the best.